Ever need to visualize change over time, show cumulative totals, or compare the contribution of different segments? Welcome to the power of Tableau. Today, we're diving into creating compelling area charts, a fantastic tool for visualizing trends and magnitudes. Let's get started. First, connect to your data. For this tutorial, I've loaded a sample dataset. Now, locate your data fields. You'll typically need a date field for your time axis and a numerical field for your measure. We'll drag our date field to the column shelf, then drag your measure field to the row shelf. Tableau automatically starts with a line chart. To transform this into an area chart, navigate to the Show Me panel, usually found in the top right corner, and select the area chart icon. You can see the data change. Now let's add another dimension to further segment our data. Drag a categorical field to the color mark. This will create separate area layers for each category, making visual distinctions. You can easily see where each segment is contributing. Customize your chart further. In the Marks card, adjust colors, opacity, and add labels to make your chart easier to read and more visually appealing. Play with the settings to best fit your data storytelling needs. Consider adding transparency by setting the opacity from less to more. And that's it. You've successfully created an area chart in Tableau. Explore your data further, experiment with different combinations, and use the power of area charts to bring your visualizations to life.